Ever since I was young, I've always liked helping people. When I was in my early 20s, I remember I was leaving a job role that I was working in. And at that time, I felt really bad that when I was leaving, I knew they weren't going to get somebody to replace me. So I actually wrote out what my job entailed, who they needed to contact, and everything that they needed to know about that job. Following on from that, I ended up going through a number of different jobs in customer service and in contracts and in finance. And the commonality as I've gone through is the fact that I've always liked helping people. It's just part of my makeup. It's how I am. And I like to solve problems, and I like to solve your problems, because I can help you not just solve your problems for me to see it, but actually solve your problems so that you're making that, you're solving it yourself. The best thing that I love doing is helping you guys see how to solve those problems yourself, so you can just carry on and do it. I'm kind of doing myself out of a job, but I'd rather see it. I want you guys to feel it and love it the same way that I do.